First, I can show you my top selling videos for September this month. This video is about making concepts, save nature. In this video, I made a low angle shot. And this video earns $25. September video sales details. Food concept. The interior studio shot popular dishes, but the video is sold for 38 cents as always too low. Sad people concept. This video was shot in an interior studio with an empty background. The clip sold for $13. Next is a fitness concept. People walk in the local park early in the morning. This video earns $2.50. Natural concept. This video makes a sunrise on gimbal movements against a forest background. This video earns 25 cents. A clip sold the same sad public concept. This video was shot in an interior studio with a plain background. The clip sold for $19. I sold a total of 10 videos with different types of video sales. Earned $108.16 this month. Video sales revenue was better than the previous month. A surprise sale this September. The two clips that sold for the highest prices were clips of a woman working on a laptop in an office. The second is the students in an educational concept school. Sales of two clips are $22 plus $22 equals $44. A total of 75 photos were sold this month and earns $13.59. Funny moments this September. People's concept. Women cook in the kitchen from home. It is sold on demand but costs $1.80. Download a total of 85 items in September and earn $121.79. Convert Indian rupees to approximately 10,021.82. September earnings on Shutterstock. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. PSD Guide.